This video is sponsored by BuyMote shopping app.
Jump into today's lesson. All the world's wealth is worth nothing without virtue. Virtue is the root of all good. What is the meaning of the line? A young man standing at the crossroads of wealth and happiness, surrounded by piles of gold and luxury items. Despite his riches, he looks lost and unfulfilled. In the distance, an old sage, with a calm and wise demeanor, gestures towards the young man, inviting him to learn the true meaning of wealth, virtue. As the young man approaches the sage, the gold in his surroundings starts to fade, replaced by peaceful and harmonious scenes of people helping each other, showing compassion, honesty, and responsibility. The young man's face gradually shifts from confusion to understanding as he realizes that true wealth lies not in material possessions, but in virtuous living. So what is the conclusion of the lesson? In the end, the young man realizes that true wealth is not measured in gold or material possessions, but in the richness of a virtuous life. As he embraces honesty, compassion, and responsibility, he discovers a peace and contentment far greater than any treasure could provide. He learns that while money can fill the pockets, only virtue can fill the heart. And in this simple truth, he finds the greatest treasure of all, lasting happiness. Thanks for watching. My goal when selecting these quotes for narration was to choose the ones that had the biggest impact on me in the hope that they have a similar effect on you. I hope this video has at least one quote that speaks to you and your current situation. Here, we dive deep into the timeless wisdom of the Thyrook Rule, exploring life's most valuable lessons through stories, insights, and powerful visuals. Each day, we bring you meaningful interpretations of ancient teachings,